Hey there, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Hazelyn, and today I want to talk to all newbie freelancers out there who are just starting their journey into the world of online work. Before we dive in, make sure to click the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest videos. First off, congratulations on taking the leap into freelancing. It's an exciting and rewarding path, but it can also be overwhelming, especially when you're just starting out. So, let's dive into finding the right online job platform for you. As a beginner, you'll want to focus on platforms that are newbie-friendly and offer opportunities for growth. One platform that's great for beginners is Upwork. It's user-friendly, has a wide range of job categories, and provides plenty of resources and support for new freelancers. Just keep in mind that competition may be tough, so it's essential to create a standout profile and tailor your proposals to each job. Another platform worth considering is freelancer.com. It's known for its straightforward interface and diverse job listings. Plus, it offers a range of contests and projects perfect for newbies looking to build their portfolios. If you're more into creative work, Fiverr might be the platform for you. It allows you to showcase your skills through gigs and offers a lot of flexibility in terms of pricing and services. However, competition can be fierce, so it's essential to find your niche and market yourself effectively. For remote work specifically, platforms like Remotely and Guru are excellent options. Remotely offers a curated list of remote job opportunities across various industries, making it easier for freelancers to find the right fit. Guru, on the other hand, is known for its wide range of project categories and flexible payment options. In the Philippines, platforms like Online Jobs PH and Remote Staff are popular choices for freelancers. Online Jobs PH specializes in connecting Filipino professionals with remote job opportunities worldwide, while Remote Staff focuses on providing virtual staffing solutions for businesses of all sizes. Now, let's talk about getting started. Most platforms require you to create a profile, showcase your skills and experience, and submit proposals for jobs that interest you. It's essential to take the time to craft a compelling profile that highlights your strength and expertise. But beware of scammers on social media. Many scammers out there are sending malicious links that are unsafe. So always be cautious and avoid clicking on suspicious links. Also, be careful of clients who ask for money upfront. Remember, you should never have to pay anything when applying to work. There are also agencies out there who offer different benefits, albeit for a lower rate, because they already take a cut. But for a newbie, that's not necessarily a bad thing. As a newbie, you might face some challenges along the way, and that's okay. Freelancing is all about learning and growing, so don't be afraid to ask questions, seek feedback, and continuously improve your skills. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with hard work, dedication, and a bit of perseverance, you can achieve your freelancing goals. And that's it. Thank you for tuning in, newbie freelancers. I hope you find this video helpful. And if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and advice on freelancing. Or if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy freelancing!